David Goggin, the strongest mindset person in the world. It's because he used his mind and discipline. So, hey champion, today we are talking about David Goggin, the man who went from being 300 pounds and struggling with his life to becoming a Navy SEAL, ultra marathon runner, and a world record holder. His secret is mastering his mind. Stick around because I am going to show you how you can do same plus bonus tip at the end that will change the way how you tackle challenges, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now we are tackling the $1,000,000 question: how you can become unstoppable like David Goggin. It's not about becoming a Navy SEAL or running ultra marathon. It's about adopting his mindset, habit, and grit to crush your own goal. Here is the step number 1: master your mind. The first step to becoming like Goggin: conquer your mind. Goggin call it closing the mind. What to do? Challenge yourself daily. Start small, cold shower. Waking up early or taking the stair instead of elevator. Build mental resilience by stepping out of your comfort zone.
You look lonely. I can fix that.
What not to do? Don't make excuses. I am too tired. It's too hard. I don't have time for these exercises. Stop you before you even begin. Goggin would say, stop lying to yourself and get after it. Here is the step number 2: create a routine that push you. What to do? Set a daily schedule that includes both physical and mental challenges. Start with something simple: 30-minute exercises, 20 minutes of reading, and a goal for the day. What not to do? Don't try to wing it without a plan. Your goals are just wishes. Write it down, stick to it, and track your progress. Step number 3: get comfortable being uncomfortable. Goggin always says, get comfortable being uncomfortable. Why? Because that's where the growth happens. What to do? Push your limit every day. If you can run 1 mile, go for 1.5. If you can do 10 push-ups, go for 15. It's not about massive leap, it's about consistent improvement. What not to do? Don't avoid discomfort. Avoiding hard things keep you stuck. Remember, discipline is temporary but progress lasts forever. Here is the step number 4: build discipline, not motivation. Motivation is great, but it's not always there when you need it. Discipline, that's your real superpower. What to do? Commit to show up even when you don't feel like it. Goggin often say, motivation comes and goes, but discipline get you across the finish line. What not to do? Don't wait for the right moment to start. The right moment is now. Waiting for the motivation means you will never take the first step. Step number 5: focus on small wins every day. Goggin did not become who he is overnight, and neither will you. Celebrate the small wins, they build momentum. What to do? Write down one win every day. Maybe it's getting out of bed early, completing a workout, or staying focused during study time. What not to do? Don't get discouraged by slow progress. Remember, progress, no matter how small, it's still progress. Step number 6: eliminate the noise. To be like Goggin, you need laser focus. What to do? Identify distraction and cut them out. Whether it's social media, negative people, or bad habit, anything that does not serve your goals need to go. What not to do? Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is yours. Comparing yourself will only show you down. The step number 7: embrace failure as a growth. Here is the truth: you are going to fail, but it's okay. Georgians say failure is the part of process. What to do? Learn from failure. Ask yourself, what did I learn and how can I do better next time? What not to do? Don't fear failure. Fear staying the same. Every setback is a setup for the comeback.
Fucking everything!
And here is the bonus tip which I promised you: use your pain as a fuel. Goggin did not become unstoppable by avoiding pain, he embraced it. Whether it's physical pain, emotional pain, or the pain of failure, use it to power yourself forward.
Oh, what happened there?
It's my birthday.
What to do next time you face discomfort? Use it as a reminder of how strong you are. Whether you are running, working out, or facing tough challenge, tell yourself this pain is making me strong. What not to do? Don't let pain or obstacles stop you. Pain does not have to be a roadblock. It can be powerful motivator. So there you have it, the blueprint of becoming the best version of yourself. Inspired by the unstoppable David Goggin. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, putting in the work, and refusing to quit. If you are ready to start your transformation, comment below with one habit you are going to change today. Until next time, keep pushing, stay hard, and remember you are stronger than you think.